and Valentina.
Hi, I'm Ishaya.
I'm Liam.
I'm Roshi.
And we are scientists from Tyndall.
Tyndall is one of Ireland's leading research institutes where we work on electronics and photonics. We harness the power of light and we use it for communication and sensing.
Today we are in UCC Science Studio, which is a state-of-the-art laboratory designed for filming live experiments, and we are here to demonstrate live experiment for you.
Today we're going to be demonstrating our fan static magic workshop experiments. Use everyday materials so you can try these at home or at school. For teaching resources, click the link in the description.
This is a series of experiments aimed at first to third class primary school students aged 6 to 9. These experiments will teach you about how static electricity works and how energy works in the world.
This is the paper windmill experiment. For this experiment you will need a ruler, a piece of paper cut into a square, a piece of Play-Doh, pencil, and a microfiber cloth. So the first step is to stick your pencil into the Play-Doh and place it upright like so. Then you're going to take your square piece of paper. It's a good idea to fold it like this, so in half and then in half again. So it gives a nice point in the middle of the piece of paper. The pencil to sit on. It's quite finicky, so take your time with this part. The next step is to charge your ruler by rubbing it with the microfiber cloth. This creates a buildup of static charge on the ruler. Do this for maybe 15 or 20 seconds until you're satisfied with the amount of static charge buildup. Then place your ruler close to the paper and it should follow your ruler.
Hi, this is the rolling can experiment, and for this we just need 3 items. These are the aluminium can, PC pipe, and a woolen cloth. To do this experiment, we'll take an aluminium can, but please make sure to take a good one because you don't need dents in the aluminium can. So we use this PVC pipe and then this woolen clothing. We'll just charge it up by just rubbing it for almost 20 to 30 seconds. So we are charging the PVC pipe up. When you're satisfied that you have charged it enough, place it on top of the can.
Next is a static one experiment, and I'm going to use 3 objects. One is road made from acrylic and a polythene cut into ring and stuck with a sellotape and a wood cloth. First, we're going to rub against the wood cloth to charge it. So I'm going to do this for like 15 seconds. So we can see that because of the charge, the rod is able to attract.
Hi everyone, welcome to the confetti bottle experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need a wool cloth, a fully blown up balloon, and a confetti bottle. So to do this experiment, what you're going to do is charge up the balloon with the wool cloth. So you're going to rub the balloon against the wool cloth. Now the surface of the balloon is covered in static electricity. You're going to hold the balloon. Look at that! The balls will be attracted to the balloon because your balloon is charged.
Thank you for watching today's video.
And thank you UCC Science Studio for collaborating with us.
We hope we've inspired you to try these experiments yourself.
And we hope that you now see STEM in your future.